हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू रघु सर मैथ्स एकेडमी। पिछले क्लास में जो ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का क्लास 10 का दो पार्ट खत्म किए थे, रेशियो एंड स्टैंडर्ड एंगल। आज हम करेंगे ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल आइडेंटिटीज। पहले ये आइडेंटिटी क्या होता है इसको समझेंगे। अभी देखिए, जैसे a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर क्या होता है, a स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर। Any value you can choose for a and b, LHS must be equal to RHS. Any value you can choose. Suppose I am taking here a equal to 1 and b equal to suppose 3. तो LHS क्या होता है ना, a 1 plus 3 square that equal to 16. Similarly RHS क्या होता है, so 1 square 1 plus 2 into 1 into 3 plus 3 square that is 1 plus 6 plus 9 that is also 16 होता है. So any value you can choose. So LHS must be equal to RHS. So it is an identity. So identity means what? It is an equation. It is an equation. Any value you have to put for a variable, LHS must be equal to RHS. Sir, this is the equation x square x plus 3 equal to 5. This is also an equation, but this is not an identity. Why it is not identity? Because any value you can put instead of x, it will not be satisfied. It will not satisfy the equation. Suppose x value you are taking x equal to 5. So 5 plus 3 equal to 5 is impossible. So it is an equation, but this is not an identity. For identity, any value you can choose. For LHS equal to RHS होना चाहिए. So here we will discuss what trigonometrical identities. So there are three identities here. One is what, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This is one identity. Any value you can choose from 0 to 90. So it must be satisfy the equation. Similarly, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Another is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So these are three identities altogether. So how to prove, sir? How do you know sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1? Let's see. Suppose this is a right angle triangle ABC. This is suppose theta. So right angle, so sin theta. Sin theta is what? Facing by hypotenuse. So AB by AC. Similarly, cos theta. Cos theta क्या होता है ना, adjacent side by hypotenuse. So BC by AC. So by using Pythagoras theorem, you know AC square equal to what? AB square plus BC square. See, so our aim is to show sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. तो sin square theta क्या होगा ना सर, AB square by AC square. Similarly, cos square theta BC square by AC square. Take the LCM AC square. तो AB square plus BC square. AB square plus AC square is what? AC square divided by AC square. क्या होता है 1. So similarly, you can put sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So sin square theta plus cos square theta अगर 1 होगा तो sin square equal to what? 1 minus cos square theta. Similarly, sec square theta equal to what? 1 plus tan square theta. Cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. These are the identities. So using these identity, you have to prove lot of questions. ऐसे आपका आइडेंटिटी को लेकर प्रूव आएंगे. सो विल डिस्कस लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. सो डू वन बाय वन. सी